been...
Guys, welcome to MaryAnn Soap Opera channel.
Whatever.
This is her soap opera.
And
Oh,
wine.
please.
So what are they doing now?
I don't know, maybe you should link to them and talk to them. I don't want to talk to them because...
Ba't kumuha din ako nito? Akala ko the same. Hindi ko binasa. Yung color lang yung tinitignan ko, guys.
Good morning, Philippines!
Oh, see. 24 hours.
How do you know it was a white hiney?
Because they're white people and you can see their hiney, it's white.
No.
Guys, we saw a woman, guys, that wearing very short shirt, guys, that you can see the butt cheeks. And we're talking and then suddenly I saw them and then I looked at his eyes and then staring at it. And he just have to like, he just don't admit that he looked. Never admit that he looked.
Yeah, did I cover my eyes? No.
Hello, what's
I
out
didn't cover
there?
my eyes.
But listen, I have my own hiney here. He doesn't even stare at it. Nothing.
I didn't stare at theirs either.
Huh?
I didn't stare at nobody's.
I have my own hiney, hon. What? I know my hiney is not perfect. It's like ugly hiney. But this is yours. Why you have to look other hiney? White and shine. I know I don't have a white and shine. It's been...
Guys, welcome to MaryAnn Soap Opera channel.
Whatever.
This is her soap opera. Drama, let's make it drama.
No, I have to go to Bilo, guys. If I have money, I have to go to Bilo to make my hiney like
Bilo.
shiny.
What the hell is a Bilo?
Dr. Vicky Bilo. It's
Vicky Bilo.
yeah, it's a doctor that can
A
make you
hiney
pretty.
doctor.
No, it makes you pretty, not just for hiney. It makes your skin shine and white.
Please.
Yes, I need that hiney that is shine and white
Shiny
and
hiney. She needs a shiny hiney.
yeah, I need a shiny hiney.
Get her hiney wax.
If they see a big boob, they look, double look. But they never admit they look, even though we
jeez.
notice it. There's nothing wrong with admitting it. And the woman get pissed because they deny it. Deny.
No, I nothing. I said, yes, I noticed. What am I not noticing? Do I not see? Are my eyes closed?
What? Guilty.
Guilty my ass. Guilty of what?
Guilty.
Driving with eyes open? Oh, yeah, okay. Well, I'm guilty of driving with my eyes open.
Guilty of staring 3 times look.
Staring my ass.
Do like that. Look like that. Ay, 3 o'clock na, han.
Yes.
Ang init ng sasakyan ko, guys. And I have frozen stuff in the back. Yung malunggay. So now, gonna be water. You want me to bring it or just do it with you here for your mother?
No, you can take it with you. Or I can cook it and you can take it with you. Or you can take it with you like it is and prepare it yourself.
So you want me to bring it then?
Yeah.
Okay. Then I will bring that like that. You have a lot of extra ice in your ice maker, right? Right?
I don't know why.
Because I will put that in the cellophane and then put ice in the cellophane and then put it in the frozen bag that it won't how do you call that? That it won't, like, you know, still cold in the bag. I will season the lamb and then you cook it in the baking. I will season it, okay?
You see it.
Hun. I'll cook the vegetables quick. And then the lamb you just bake it.
I'm the one that's got the avocado. Yes. You have to be to death. I walk out of the store, we open up the bag with the round coats again.
I'm leaving, guys. Tingnan nyo yung asawa ko, guys. I have to say bye first. Video, guys. Say bye to them. Say bye to them.
Hi, guys.
Hello.
flesh out.
Yeah, I'm gonna miss you.
Love you, hon.
I'm gonna miss you.
Picture up my nose.
It's 4 o'clock already. Kailangan ko na talagang umalis. I feel bad because I cook, I run. It's like I cook over there for them. Quick walk. And then I run out because even Tommy want me to go quick. He kept checking the dog. Palagi niya chine-check yung aso namin doon. Sa camera. And I said, poor little thing. All I can hear is poor little thing. I feel bad for them, guys. So that's why I cook. Tom and I have been running to get grocery. I can't even cook the lamb because I just seasoned the lamb and I told Tommy just to preheat the oven for 400 degrees. And then yun, okay ka na. May pagkain na kayo. Vegetables, salmon and lamb.
Going to the door, so I guess she's getting the urge.
Oh, baby, my babies.
Yeah, I don't see Missy at all, so that's not really good. She might be in the bedroom.
Maybe it's in her bed.
Maybe.
Yeah, that's.
But they're waiting for you.
So what are they doing now?
I don't know. Maybe you should link to them and talk to them. I don't want to talk to them because then they get
No,
get
and then they
upset
get too excited, and then they pay, hon.
Yeah.
I'm almost there.
All right.
So what are you guys doing? Did you guys eat?
I don't know. I'm cooking and I've got laundry in the wash. That's really it.
So what are you? Did you just bake it?
You what?
You just going to bake the lamb and the salmon?
Yeah, I got the lamb and the salmon in the oven, and I got laundry in the wash. That's it.
Okay.
I just gotta let you know that the puppy's getting a little rambunctious. They've been there too long. It's 5:30 already.
Are they barking?
No, they're not barking. But they probably have to go to the bathroom really bad now.
I'm sure.
They've been holding it all day.
Yeah. Hi guys, traffic guys. Tumawag lang yung asawa ko para sabihin sa akin na yung
At Verizon, we get what it's like to live in this city.
Happy hour plans with friends.
Yung dalawang aso is ready to pee-pee. That means Roxy is already going run back and forth to the sliding door. That means alam na she want to pee. I feel bad for this dog, honestly, and I cannot just bring them in, bring them to the other house and drive them back. I cannot do it. I wish I did that. We go to sleep over there. I wish I did. Oh my God, I'm already. I don't even think about that. To bring the dog. Yung traffic ba ay nako talaga. 5:30 na. I get in the house like 6 o'clock. 30 minutes. Because of the traffic, probably like, oh my God, this is crazy. I'm almost there, but because of the traffic, I'll get there half hour from here to the house. Okay guys, I'll see you home. Let's go. Let's go. Come here, let's go. I know, my God. I know. Guys, kunin na natin itong mga binili ko, guys. Yeah, Dada and Grandma is not here. What can I tell you, Misty? Tignan nyo, nag-chick talaga. Yeah, they are not here. They are not here, I know. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Come in, let's go inside. Ito yung nabili ko pala. Maghuhul ako yung nabili ko sa Asian store. So, ipakita ko sa inyo. So, bumili ako ng maraming ano to? Lemongrass. Bumili din ako ng isang botelya ng sukang pinakurat, guys. Kasi, meron akong isa, ano doon, dito sa, ano ko. Pero, maliit siya. So, bumili na ako ng yung gusto ko. Yung bagoong ginisang sautéed. Yun. Ito na. Ito na yung gusto ko. Ito. Ito talaga. Hindi yan. Mali. So, yun. Ito siya nakuha ko. Ang price nito is, nakalimutan ko. Hindi ko alam kung, I think this is like 3 something. 3 something. Ito, dalawa, Maggi Sabor. Paborito ko sa mga pagluluto ko. At saka, 5 Ligo Sardines. 5 siya, guys. Dahil, alam na. Diba? Ligo Sardines, 5. Bumili ako ng, coconut milk doon din sa Asian store, 2. Kasi wala ito sa grocery store, na regular grocery store, wala sila. So, bumili ako ng 2 para pang gata ko kapag gusto kong mag-gata. And also, yung paborito kong calamansi lime, century tuna, calamansi. Paborito, marami na akong paborito na kayong regular nila, paborito ko rin yun, at saka yung afritada. Pero ito yung pinakagusto ko, calamansi. At ano pa ba yung nabili ko? Yung crackers na kinain namin ng mag-asawa, doon din. At saka, guys, bumili ako ng pancit canton na hindi siya spicy. At saka, bumili din ako ng, kasi wala na ako nito, Nor na boyon. You know, yun, boyon. Chicken flavor. At bumili din ako ng sabaw man ito, diba? Pancit canton na hindi siya sabaw. Ay, meron ito siya, pancit canton. Iba-iba yung binili ko. Ito is Lucky Me at ito is Quick Chow. Quick Chow. Iba-iba. And ito is Lucky Me na yung tubig. Kasi na-miss ko na yung sabaw ng Lucky Me na sinabawan na may tubig talaga. Pandesal. Hala, this is na baliwag. Kaya pala, baliwag yung gusto ko eh. So, bumili ako ng baliwag. Akala ko pareha lang sila, diba? Yellow, disim lang. Disim lang yellow. So, bumili ako. Kumuha ko ng isang baliwag at kumuha din ako nito. Akala ko the same. Hindi ko binasa. Yung color lang yung tinitignan ko, guys. At saka, bumili ako ulit ng munggo. Kahit meron pa ako doon. Bumibili din ako yung, diba, yung mga ShopRite na mga tindahan. Meron sila mga Asian store na makabili ka ng pagkain. So, bumili ako ng lo mein at saka yung chicken na sautéed. Oh, goodness. Frozen pa siya ito. Malunggay. May nagtanong, ipakita daw itong the whole, yung lahat ng itong parang butterfly, sabi niya, butterfly daw ito, hindi na, I don't know kung anong tawag nito, guys, hindi ko na alam, pero ito siya, ito yan siya, para siyang butterfly, pero hindi yan butterfly, guys, may tawag dyan, guys. So, hala, umiyak na si Roxy. So, meron ditong lalagyan. So, pinakita ko lang sa inyo, guys, dahil may nagtanong kasi, so ipakita ko lang, okay? And ito din, look, we're gonna open this, look. Open siya. Yan. At saka sa loob, meron pang storage. Yan. At saka meron din dito. And then, ito din, ma-open din ito. So, yun, open siya. Yan. Para siyang folding, para siyang libro na mapa-fold-fold. Yan. At saka sa loob, meron pang kind of deep, not too deep, not hindi siya mahaba, pero marami siyang malagyan doon sa loob. So, yun siya guys. So, sa nagtatanong, ito siya. Yan siya. Parang nga siyang butterfly, pero hindi naman butterfly. Ano lang siya. And then, we close this one right here. This first. And then, ito. Ito siya, yun. Yan. Hello guys! Good evening na guys! Alas 9 na ng gabi. Yes, alas 9 na ng gabi. At saka, ang sa labas, okay pa talaga. Punta lang ako sa taas. Tapos naman yung dalawa nagpipipi at nagpipiu-piu. Punta ako sa taas kasi matutulog na ako. Kasi, oh my God. Gusto ko nang matulog. I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching guys. I-end ko na tong vlog guys kasi kailangan ko na magpahinga. Yan. Yan. Kailangan ko na magpahinga and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching for today's video. Salamat sa pagbabalik guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button guys in this video. And kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, subscribe na kayo para madami-dami na tayo. And sa mga nanonood, nagbigay ng time na mag-comment sa pagtunood sa video ko, lahat-lahat na salamat sa inyo. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you all guys so much. Bye! Good night guys!
Goodbye.